Welcome back! Today I want to dive into something that's been a major focus for me over the past year, my everyday carry setup for 2025. And yes, this isn't just a gear list, this is the result of countless small decisions refined through everyday use, travel and daily content creation. For me it's about having a streamlined setup that keeps me creative, productive and adaptable no matter where I am. Whether I'm working from a coffee shop, shooting content in the field or just navigating a busy day around the city. And yes, over the years I fine-tuned my kit to set my focus on a balance between tech, utility and analog tools. Everything has a purpose and everything earns its place. So in this video let's talk about every item in my 2025 everyday carry setup. So why it's in my bag, how I use it and how it fits into my workflow. So whether you're a content creator, a student, a traveler or just someone who wants a more intentional EDC, I hope this helps to spark some ideas. So let's get started. And let's start with the obvious one, my iPhone 14 Pro. Now yes, I know it's 2025, newer iPhones are out there and yes, the iPhone 15 and even 16 series offers more improvements, especially if you take a look at the camera. But for me, the 14 Pro still nails it. It's fast, it's stable and mostly important, it integrates perfectly with my daily systems. From checking emails and navigating maps to managing social media and syncing notes, this phone still delivers. I personally don't game on it and I don't shoot any cinematic content on it because yeah, my Canon R5 handles those duties. So for 90% of my mobile tasks, the iPhone 14 Pro is more than enough. But what really elevates it in my EDC is the walnut bumper case. This case adds so much more character. In my opinion, the warm wood adds such a nice touch to the sleek industrial design of the phone itself. But of course it's not just about aesthetics. This case offers legit protection. I've dropped this phone more times than I would like to admit, and this case has taken it like a champ. Next up is what I call my portable productivity hub, the iPad Air M2. This thing has completely changed how I work outside of my studio. So yeah, whether I'm on the move and don't want to carry around my MacBook Pro, this iPad steps in. It's powerful enough to handle pretty much everything I throw at it. Note-taking, sketching, file management, document editing and even some photo edits in Lightroom are absolutely possible. And with the right accessories it becomes so much more than just a tablet. And yes, first I definitely need to mention the Apple Pencil. I use it constantly. The Apple Pencil Pro gives me that hands-on feel you just can't replicate with a basic keyboard. But of course yes, the Magic Keyboard is also worth mentioning. Because yeah, this accessory completely transforms the iPad. It offers great keys, a responsive trackpad and USB-C pass-through charging. You can easily write emails, manage spreadsheets and even plan videos, just like on a laptop. And finally, I also need to mention this USB-C adapter. It's absolutely fantastic. So yeah, don't underestimate this tiny add-on. I use it to connect SD cards, external drives and more. It turns the iPad into a serious content management tool while staying compact and lightweight. Together, these elements make the iPad a core part of my EDC. It gives me flexibility, power and creativity in a super portable form. For sure the MacBook Pro is still my favorite, but especially for some everyday tasks, the iPad is such a great solution. Next up, let's talk about data. And yes, storage is something people often overlook in their tech EDC, until they run out of space or lose a file. And I personally use the SanDisk Mini SSD. This drive is tiny, but don't let its size fool you. It's super fast, read and write speeds are quick enough to get things done, and I use it constantly to transfer footage, work on projects, or just to carry around some files. On top, when I'm traveling, it becomes my mobile backup system. So I shoot on a Canon R5, dump the files to the SSD via my iPad, and it's done. And when I'm back at home, I always make a backup on my NAS. On top, its build quality and compact size means it fits into any pocket or camera bag. It's one of those pieces that quickly does its job and makes everything else in my kit work better. But of course, there are plenty of other SSD options out there, so if you want something portable, fast and reliable, a small SSD like this one here is perfect for any creative EDC. But now let's talk about audio, and here I always use the AirPods Pro. And yes, these are always part of my EDC. They are probably the most used audio item in my entire setup. From calls to editing videos, from casual music listening to noise blocking in busy environments, they do it all. And yes, the active noise cancellation still impresses me, especially considering how small and lightweight they are. In my opinion, it's not just good, it's productivity enhancing. It helps me to stay focused whether I'm working from a cafe or even on a noisy set. And because they are super integrated with Apple's ecosystem, they are seamless. I don't think about pairing or switching devices, they just work every time. And that's absolutely fantastic. Plus the battery life is solid and the fit is comfortable even after hours of use. I've also paired them with a matching walnut case to give them a little touch of style. If you've already watched some of my desk setup videos, you will know that the dark and walnut color palette is my favorite, so that add-on was a must-have for me. But let's shift gears from digital to analog. And yes, my mini notebook might seem simple, even old school, but it's one of the most valuable tools I carry. In a world that constantly surrounds us with notifications, having a quiet, focused space to write ideas down is powerful. Whether I'm capturing a sudden content idea, sketching a thumbnail, or just making a to-do list, this notebook is where a lot of my raw creativity starts. At the end of the day, it's a distraction-free zone. No pings, no battery, no apps to pull my attention, just a blank page and a pen. I personally keep it paired with a simple pen, so it's always ready. It's lightweight, fits in any bag, and helps me to slow down and think more intentionally. In my opinion, analog tools still have a place in our high-tech world, and this notebook proves it. And finally, let's talk about the unsung hero of my EDC, the Leatherman Multitool. This is the item I reach for when things don't go as planned. A loose tripod screw? Fixed. A package that needs opening? Done. A minor repair in the field? Handled. It's super compact and packed with tools, and somehow it's still smaller than my phone. It's one of those gadgets you don't think you need until you're in a situation where you absolutely do. And then you're glad it's in your bag. Sure, it's not flashy, it's not digital, but it's still super versatile, and that's exactly why it's a must-have for my EDC. But yeah, at the end of the day, building your EDC isn't about carrying more, it's about carrying smart. And this kit reflects what I need to operate at my best, no matter where I am. But what's your favorite gadget? Let me know that in the comments. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.